Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on another Sketchbook Adventures. If you have noticed in the past videos, I've called this series a few different names, trying to find the one I like. I think I am 85% sure this is it. If you like Sketchbook Adventures, make sure to write love in the comments below. And if you have a better name, or you think it might be a better name, put that in the comments below and I might just use your idea. If you're new here, I would like to say a big hello. My name is Tiffany. I'm the artist behind it all. And in this series, we normally learn about how to sketch or draw in our sketchbook using various mediums. But today, I have something super excited I want to share. So make sure to stick around. Now before I start to make this amazing sketchbook cover, I want to start by saying I am not sponsored by anything I use today. It's simply just through trial and error, these are what work for me and what I found I like the best. When I start off by priming the cover with Liquitex gesso, and I do this with all of my canvases even. The reason I do this is I want to get the tooth or texture that I like to paint on, and it also helps prime the surface for maximum color adhesion and stability. Pretty much just gives the paint something to stick to. Today I'm going to be using my Gamblin 1980 paints, and I love the colors of Quinacridone Magenta and Turquoise. So I will be mixing these with Titanium White to get all the effects that I have on this cover. I am by no means an abstract artist, so there's no proper placement to these colors. I'm just putting them where I think they look good. I am adding liquid to my paints, so after I do a couple colors, I'll blend them so they won't dry with sharp edges because I want everything really soft. So that's what you see me go in and do. I have a little brush that I just soften up the edges just to blend all the colors. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do throughout this whole thing. It's really easy, and I really encourage you to try painting your own sketchbook if it's boring and you want to express yourself. If you don't want to make your own, but you would still like to have one, make sure to visit the link in the description to my shop and I'll custom make one for you. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe, making sure to hit that little bell so you don't miss any of my videos. See you next time.